In this video, I'll show you how to quickly generate a QR code inside Canva. Welcome to this video. My name is David and I hope you're well wherever you are around the world. If you did not know that you can generate QR codes inside Canva, it's possible and it's free. So I have a blank presentation here, but the reason why you may need a QR code is probably you are creating business cards inside Canva, doing posters inside Canva, and you probably want somebody to access a particular website, maybe for them to find out something or some more information about whatever your business is about. So this is our blank canvas here, and to add the QR code, if you've never used it, it's hidden under the More tab or More sections here, the three dots. Click on that, and from this section you'll see Bitmoji, Draw Better, or the QR code. If I click on the QR code, what you'll get is that add a URL, and we'll create a QR code for you to add to your design. People can scan the QR code to reach the URL. So for example, let's just add my website, freelancerinsights.com. And once I do that, I'll click on generate code. It's going to just take a couple of seconds, and there is our QR code. If I just take my phone and just select it, or just point the QR code scanner to this particular QR code, it's going to open my website. So you can actually just try it out. Just point the QR code scanner on your phone on this particular image on screen and see where it takes you. I believe it takes you to my website, freelancerinsights.com. Now you can actually use this particular QR code because it goes to your uploads, I believe, section. Once you create the QR code, it goes to your upload section, and you can easily use a QR code whenever you want to lead people to your website, to your business, or whatever else you want them to do with a QR code. So that's how you can easily and quickly generate a QR code in Canva. Thanks for watching this video. Until next time, stay safe and never stop learning.